Hello, I am Dr. Dhruv Chaturvedi. I am an Associate Director in Neurosurgery at Pushpavati Singhania Research Institute. I have done my graduation and post-graduation in MCH in Neurosurgery. MCH Neurosurgery I have done from the esteemed All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. After that, I have done specialized training in neurosurgery, including endoscopic or minimally invasive brain and spine surgeries from UK and many other countries in the world. I have been actively practicing neurosurgery over the last 25 plus years. My special interest is brain tumors. I would like to speak a little bit about brain tumors today. Brain tumors generally are very scary. People get scared when they hear that they have brain tumor. I would like to impress upon the fact that there is nothing like this. Number one, not all the brain tumors are cancerous. They can be cancerous or non-cancerous, and many brain tumors are non-cancerous. Now, what are the symptoms or what are the problems that a patient can have when they have brain tumors? Though there are many, but the most common is regular intense headaches along with vomitings, seizures or fits as we know them in the common language. There can be weakness of one or the other part of the body, like the arm or the leg. They can develop weakness or numbness. There can be loss of power. There can be disturbances in vision. The person may not be able to see properly. These, along with many other problems, can be an indication that a person has brain tumor. Now, as I told you, many brain tumors are not cancerous. So we don't need to be scared. We don't need to be afraid of these tumors. Brain tumors can be benign or cancerous. A brain tumor can be from within the brain or a tumor which has come to the brain from other parts of body, which are known as metastatic tumors. Now, I have already told you about the symptoms that a person can have. I would like to tell you a bit about the treatment options that we have. Some of the brain tumors can be treated by surgery, some can be treated by medications only, and in some we have to give radiation in addition to surgery or medication. Many brain surgeries can be done today through endoscope, which can be introduced through the nose, and these are very safe procedures. Not all, but some of the tumors can be removed without giving any incision or any cut on the skin. Most of the brain surgeries today, now with advanced techniques, are safe, and in many brain tumors, the patients have normal lifespan. So, I want to impress that brain tumors are treatable in many instances, and we really don't need to be scared. As soon as you have any such problems, you must reach the specialist and follow his advice. I hope this video is helpful to you. For more information, you can contact Cure India.
If you are interested in treatment in India, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a new video from us.